Beautiful. If only you could bottle that up and take it home. That sound and everything. It's woke us up in the morning, but it's sent us to sleep as well. Listening to that at night is so soothing, but getting up in the morning and seeing that view is unbelievable. Right off on your veranda. It's brilliant. Yeah, thoroughly enjoyable. Whatever anybody's got to say about Bulgaria, just keep saying it. It's one of them hidden things. Don't bother coming, it's horrible, it really is. You know, save it for us only. Don't come and spoil it.